guys, welcome to today's video. So we will be solving the problem that is Command and Conqueror generals won't run on Windows 10. Okay, so we will be going throughout the step by step solutions. How can I fix Commands and Conqueror general problems? Okay, so our first solution is create a new options.ini file. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we have to enter some folder. Okay, so I will be opening that folder that you have to follow me. So I will be double clicking on File Explorer here. So you can see here the that is a C folder, that is Windows SSD C, or you can be have that is a C folder. So I will be clicking on Windows C. After that what we have to choose is sir username. Okay, username documents command. Okay, and Conqueror and generals data. So for that what we have to do is so what I will open is users, that is username documents command. Inside it create a new file called options. Okay, so for that what we have to do here is I will be opening here C slash username documents command and Conqueror generals data. Okay, so users Lenovo username documents command, you can find here the file that is username documents command public or in the double fixing folder. So I can't see this folder, so it's not exist in my PC. If you have this folder, you have to create one file there, that is click on options.txt file and rename it to options.ini. Okay, so this was our first solution. So second solution is update your Windows 10. So for that what we will do is I will click on Windows option, Windows icon, and after that I will click on settings. After that you can see here update and security options. I will right click on that. So you can see this interface, that is Windows update. So it's showing that you are not up to date and I will be checking for updates. Okay, so if your PC have like Windows update like this, or you don't have any update, so it will show you here. Okay, so according to the condition you have to update your Windows PC. Okay, so next is what we will do, if you don't have the updated PC, then you have to update from here after checking for updates. So I will be stopping here because I have only to show you how to do that, but we will be going towards our next solution by stopping this, or I will simply minimize it. So after that what we will do is next solution, that is modify your registry. So for that what I will type here is I will click here, that is Windows plus R at a time. So what I am typing here is Windows plus R. So this will open this run dialog. After that what we have to do, I will type here in the open tab, that is regedit. So it will open our registry editor. From here I will click on OK. So you have to select yes here. After that you can see here, that is registry editor, and what we have to do is we have to open some path here. So that is Heki local machine system current control sets reversed. Okay, so after that what I will open is Heki local machine. After that local machine system and current control set service cdrv. Okay, so what I will open is I will open here the system after going towards it, and after that current control set service. So current control set. After that what I will choose here is services. After that I will choose here services. After in this services tab you can see here, that is CECDRV. Okay, then what we have to choose here is I will choose here the option in the last, that is starting from SECDRB. okay, so we will go to the alphabetical order here, and you can see here SECDRB. okay, so you have to choose here SECDRB from here. okay, so we have to find here that option here that is similar to that one. So I will choose here, that is SCCD S card SRV. okay, so you can choose here bar default RG, set its value to 2 and click OK and save to registers. okay, so after opening the SCCDRV, double clicking, that you can see here, you should see that is SECDRV DORD, SECDRV DORD. okay, so what we have to see here, SEC, so we will simply select here the default. okay, if you don't see the option, okay, what we have to choose here is we have to select here the services, and after that SECBRD. okay, so finally we got that options here. okay, so I will selecting here the option and go to the default, modify, I will choose the value here 2 and click on OK. okay, so that how you have to do this solution. So next is get command and conqueror ultimate connection. okay, so use command prompt for that as a run as administrator. So for that what we have to do is I will go to open CMD. Here I will type CMD and I will run as administrator, and after that you can see here you have to choose as, after you will see here this window, and after that what you have to do is enter some command, that is only one command, that is scconfig SECDRV. if you don't find the file in Heki local machine, then you can opt for this option. Then I will open here, click here start equal to auto. After that I will press enter. Operation failed, the specific services does not exist and installed service. So if you install that services, then it will show successful, otherwise it will not. I haven't installed because I don't have the problem at a time. okay, so again what we have to do is run the game in compatibility mode. So locate the command and conqueror general shortcuts. okay, right click it on choose properties, and after that you have to select compatibility tab. After that what you have to do is copy the game files. So that was the procedure. So I will be stopping here. First, thank you for this video, and hope you guys find your solution. Thank you.